Hello everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can find message request option in your Google Chat. Okay, so if someone messages you first time, then this message will be placed on the request message. So go to your Google Chat, or you can also go to your Gmail because Google Chat is also available in Google Gmail. So I'm just going to my account, and then you can see the option new chat, this one here. Click new chat, and then you will see the option message request, the third option here, like message request. Just simply click on this. Then no message request is now because no one can message me, no one message me now. So if someone messages you on your Google Chat, then you will find that a user in this option. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.